Have you ever bitten into a big juicy strawberry? It's one of life's simple pleasures. That sweet red fruit is a favorite in pies, on top of ice cream, or just eaten straight from the box. In America, we eat over 9 million tons of strawberries every year. But have you ever wondered how that perfect berry gets from a field to your kitchen table? The real story is much more interesting than you might think. It's a tale of hard work, smart thinking, and some truly amazing machines. Forget the old image of a farmer picking berries by hand. Today, robots, GPS, and giant harvesters are the new heroes. These machines work day and night to keep strawberries on our tables all year long. Modern agriculture is a blend of steel, silicon, soil, and sunshine. The journey of a strawberry starts as a tiny seed and ends up in your grocery cart, with technology guiding every step. Farmers use advanced tools to monitor sun, rain, and soil, ensuring each plant gets exactly what it needs. For years, this was all done by people, slow, hard work. But now, technology makes the job faster, easier, and more efficient. So next time you enjoy a strawberry, remember the incredible journey it took? Think about the farmers and the machines working together. It's a story of innovation and progress. We're about to pull back the curtain on the high-tech world of strawberry harvesting, where steel and silicon meet soil and sunshine. And trust me, it's more fascinating than you might think. When you think of strawberries, think of sunshine. In the US, California is the undisputed champion, growing nearly 90% of all strawberries. Its long, sunny days and cool nights create the perfect berry. Florida steps in during the winter thanks to its mild climate, so we have fresh berries year-round. Together, these states keep grocery shelves stocked no matter the season. But it's not just about weather. Growing the perfect strawberry is a science. Farmers use advanced irrigation to give each plant just the right amount of water, crucial in drought-prone California. Special plastic coverings keep soil warm, stop weeds, and keep berries clean. GPS technology maps out fields for perfectly straight rows, making machine work easier. Soil sensors monitor moisture and nutrients, sending data to farmers in real time. This combination of nature and technology turns these fields into strawberry powerhouses. Every berry you eat is the result of careful planning and high-tech farming. It's a year-round operation that takes hard work and smart tools. The next time you see strawberries in January, thank a farmer and their machines. That's how we get perfect berries, no matter the month. Before a single strawberry can be harvested, it has to be planted. What used to be back-breaking work is now handled by robots. These machines, pulled by tractors, plant multiple rows at once with perfect spacing and depth. GPS and laser guides ensure every plant is exactly where it needs to be. Perfect alignment means easier watering, weeding, and harvesting later. These robots work day and night, planting fields much faster than humans ever could. As the strawberries grow, sensors and AI monitor temperature, humidity, and soil moisture. Data flows to a central computer, spotting problems before they start. AI-powered watering systems deliver just the right amount of water, only where it's needed. This saves water and keeps plants healthy. The result? Bigger, juicier berries and a more efficient farm. It's a high-tech approach for a better harvest. Welcome to farming in the 21st century. Harvest time is when all the hard work pays off. For decades, picking strawberries was slow, back-breaking labor. Now, giant machines do the job, fast and gently. Picture a harvester as wide as a school bus, rolling down the rows. Soft, spinning spindles comb through the plants, knocking ripe berries onto a conveyor belt. The machine can be set to pick only berries of a certain size and color, leaving the rest to ripen. One harvester can do the work of up to 50 people, day or night. This speed is crucial for a crop that spoils quickly. The challenge? Picking soft fruit without bruising it. Engineers designed cushioned belts and gentle mechanisms to mimic a human touch. The result? Tons of perfect berries, harvested with care. These machines have transformed the industry. Harvesting is now faster, more efficient, and less physically demanding. The gentle giant is the new hero of the strawberry field. And it's just getting started. After harvest, strawberries head to the packing facility, where technology takes over. Berries ride conveyor belts to sorting machines equipped with high-speed cameras and AI. Each berry is photographed and analyzed for size, color, and quality in an instant. Imperfect berries are gently sorted out with a puff of air or a soft mechanical finger. Only the best make it into the packages you see at the store. Robotic arms with soft grippers pack the berries into clear containers, arranging them perfectly to prevent bruising. Some systems even weigh each container as it's filled for accuracy. Once packed, robotic palletizers stack the containers onto pallets for transport. The cold chain begins. Refrigerated trucks keep berries cool and fresh all the way to the store. Temperature is monitored constantly to preserve quality. From field to shelf, every step is carefully controlled. This high-tech journey ensures you get fresh, delicious strawberries every time. Technology doesn't just grow the berries, it delivers them too. That's the secret behind every perfect strawberry you buy. For years, strawberry farming relied on teams of seasonal workers picking by hand. But rising labor costs and worker shortages forced farmers to find a new way. Hiring large crews became expensive and unsustainable. Competing with cheaper labor overseas was tough. The answer? Automation. Investing in harvesting machines reduced the need for huge workforces. Though costly up front, these machines pay for themselves over time. They work longer hours, are more reliable, and lower operating costs. For many family farms, automation was a lifeline. It kept them in business and allowed them to pass farms down to the next generation. The switch wasn't just about saving money, it was about survival. Harvesting strawberries is still a dirty job, but now it's done with smarter tools. Farmers traded large crews for large machines to stay productive and profitable. Innovation kept America's strawberry fields alive, and it's changed the way we grow our favorite fruit. Farmers are always battling Mother Nature. Drought, storms, and pests threaten every crop. Water shortages, especially in California, can be devastating. Today, technology gives farmers new tools to fight back. AI-powered irrigation systems use soil sensors and weather data to deliver water with pinpoint accuracy. Drip irrigation uses up to 50% less water than old sprinklers. Drones fly over fields using special cameras to spot early signs of disease or nutrient problems. Detailed maps help farmers fix small issues before they spread. Data-driven farming also improves soil health. GPS mapping and soil analysis let farmers apply fertilizer only where it's needed, saving money and protecting the environment. Less runoff means cleaner rivers and streams. By working with nature, not against it, farmers are building a more sustainable future. Technology makes farming smarter, not just easier. It's the key to growing food in a changing world. Strawberry farming has changed, but the revolution is just beginning. The next generation of robots will be even smarter, identifying weeds, treating sick plants, and working together in teams. Artificial intelligence will analyze data from sensors, drones, and satellites to predict yields and spot problems before they start. Farms will become fully connected, intelligent systems. Vertical farming, growing crops in stacked layers indoors, is on the rise. This could mean fresh, local strawberries in cities year-round with less need for long-distance transport. The goal: more food, less waste, and a smaller environmental footprint. Smarter robots and AI will help us use less water, fewer pesticides, and less fertilizer. The future of farming is about feeding more people while caring for the planet. For strawberries, that means a future that's greener, smarter, and just as delicious. The next chapter in this story is going to be exciting. Technology and tradition will work hand in hand, and the humble strawberry will lead the way. The journey of the modern strawberry is a testament to human ingenuity. From sunny fields to your plate, it's all thanks to advanced technology and hard work. Robots plant, AI waters, and gentle machines harvest by the ton. These machines aren't replacing farmers, they're helping them thrive. They keep family farms in business and make food production sustainable. Next time you see those perfect red berries, remember the symphony of tech and teamwork behind them. It's a story of problem solving and innovation. Farmers, engineers, and scientists working together to feed a nation. So, let's raise a strawberry and a toast to the farmers and to the incredible machines that help them. It's a sweet partnership that keeps our plates full.